Welcome back, my friends, to another episode of Cooked Before Noon. As a reminder, Cooked Before Noon is all about giving you a recipe that you can make ahead of NFL kickoff so you can satisfy that appetite during game time. This week we're making an appetizer that looks fancy but takes almost no time to prepare and amazing right out of the oven. Perfect for game day, dinner parties, or when you want something quick and is different than your normal menu. This week we're making creamy, herby Boursin Stuffed Mushrooms. Before we start prepping, I'll show you what you need for your shopping list. First thing on the shopping list is 1 pound of baby Bella mushrooms, 5-ounce pack of Boursin cheese. I'm choosing to go with the garlic and herbs flavor. Feel free to choose whichever flavor you prefer. Panko breadcrumb, olive oil, and salt and pepper. In addition to salt and pepper, feel free to add any other herbs that you prefer. This would be a great time to preheat the oven. Grab yourself a pan to cook these in. We're gonna line the pan with aluminum foil or parchment paper works well. Now for the first step, we're going to remove the stems from the mushrooms. Then we're gonna set these aside. You wanna grab yourself a bowl. We're gonna add the cheese. Half a cup of breadcrumb. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Touch of salt. Touch of pepper. We're gonna stir this around. Then we're gonna grab the mushrooms and fill them with the stuffing. And lastly, we're gonna top it with a little bit more breadcrumb. And there it is. Crispy on the outside, creamy, herby in the middle. These are easy enough to throw together last minute, which is my favorite part about them. Serve them warm, pair them with a drink, and you'll see how fast the plate empties. These are always a hit, no matter the occasion. If you had fun today, please like, subscribe, and let me know how yours came out. Cheers, and we'll see you next week.